turabikomeza nyuma. Izo zindi zari turazikomeza mu kanya, ariko reka tubanze dusoze zino episode zisohotse ni nkeya cyane. Beauty in Black sibyo twita twikomereza. Rebe hano twari turi ze hari mu bitaro, hano twari turi season ya kabiri episode ya mbere. Umeze neza muze? Oya.
Do I need to get the doctor?
Kikwamagara muganga. Oya.
You can't help me.
Ntacyo wamfasha.
You just did.
Ariko mukanya uramfashije.
Sure about that.
Koko se? Kunyinisha.
Do you know how much joy this is giving?
Usuburyo nishimyemo kubera ibibaye.
Can't really tell right now.
Sinzi.
Oh no, my cancer's eating away at my body, but my soul.
Kanseri yanjye umubiri uri kuyirya, ariko ibyishimo birandenze muri kano kanya.
Look on their faces.
Wabonye ukuntu famiye yanjye yarebaga? Yego nabibonye.
They look like they were devastated.
Bari bameze nko bashaka kutumira bunguri.
Makes me want to fight.
Iwana bitumye numva narwanira ubuzima.
See that every day.
Kugira ngo buri munsi nge mbona famiye yanjye yarakaye kuriye.
I got those sons of bitches.
Ziranyana zimbwa ndazihamije zose.
That bad?
Ese nabantu babi bigezaho?
You have no idea.
We ntago bize. Umve.
It's gonna be all right.
Ese kimi ntacyo bazamutwara?
My father's there's a lot of stipulations.
Papa wanjye mu nyandiko z'imirage yadusigiye yashizemo udutendo twinshi.
They won't get their shares.
Ku buryo bagize icyo batwara kimi imigabane yabo yose bayibura.
If not, I would have been dead.
Iyo biza kuba hari icyo bantwara nari kuba narishwe kera.
Okay, that's
sawa.
Fine for me.
Kuri njye urumva ndatekanye. Ariko se murumuna wanjye na Rain bo biti.
Don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo. Kuki?
I need them protected.
Nkeneye ko barindwa nabo. Ubishyire mu nyandiko barindwe ku buryo nawe wabakoraho.
My father's will can't be touched or.
Umva, inyandiko zasizwe na papa z'imirage nta kintu twahinduraho.
But mine can't be.
Ariko njye zanjye zabikora.
Okay, ndaza
kubyongeramo nabo babarinde. Rain na murumuna wawe nibyo byo cyagukora. Angel se wa mumansizi w'umuhungu.
Angel is good.
Angel ameze neza, polisi zamufunze twe turabiza basoje season ya kabiri. Ari hehe?
I actually don't know.
Ntago mbiza hano.
Well, you should find him.
Ugomba kumushaka.
I want to see him.
Ndashaka kumubona.
All right.
Sawa. Kamuhamagari. Uyu ni Rain.
Also, we need to talk about you saying.
None se famille yawe ko yibwiye ngo ndi boss wabo bite? Uyaraseka. Ko babwiye ngo ndi boss wabo. Ndashaka kubimenya.
Did you see their faces when I said?
Wabonye mvuga ngo uri boss wabo kuntu barebye?
Did.
Yego nabibonye ariko. None se uragira ngo mukuru wanjye managing company yawe?
Nothing about running.
Hola nta kintu nzi kuyobora company.
I got the right people in place.
Nateguye abantu bagomba kugufasha. Bande se? Humura.
I'll fill you in.
Wenza bikwinjizamo.
I need to rest now.
Nkeneye kuruhuka nona. Mukobwa agiye kuyobora.
And
Kindi.
An Angel.
Shaka Angel.
He's not answering.
Nagari kwitaba.
We'll find him.
Find him. Okay, you should head to the house.
Mujye mu rugo.
The house?
Mu rugo?
Yes.
Yego iwanjye.
James.
James. Niwe muyobozi cyangwa se umukozi mukuru wo mu rugo araza kubafasha.
Yeah? I'll set up.
Babateguriye mu rugo mugomba kuba.
What?
Yes.
Shit, I'm getting out of here.
Yeah? Uyarumirwa. Bagiye kujya kuba kwa muzeyi.
His name is.
Shoferi ari hariya.
And he works for Jules.
Bose bakorera Jules.
Hold on. I've had him checked out.
Umva umushoferi namusuzumye uzajya batwara. Umupolisi wa nyawe.
Caught up.
Nuko yisanze muri bibiri.
He's got some special skills.
Ikindi afite ubumenyi bwinshi nshaka mukoresha.
I don't want to be around nobody that.
Yes, nshaka kuba ndi kumwe n'umuntu ukorera Jiri. Cyase Jules.
It's not about who you can trust.
Kibazo ntago ari ukwiye kwizera.
Can't trust none of these motherfuckers.
Nta numwe ukwiye kwizera.
It's about leverage.
Ahubwo we nukuburi hejuru yabo. Tumufiteho byinshi ku buryo agomba kugukorera. Bura hari igihe umuntu umufiteho ikintu yaba utamwizera akaba agomba guca bugufa akagukorera kugira ngo icyo kintu utagikira hanze.
Gonna be the hardest for you.
Ibintu ngiye kukwigisha bishobora kuba ari byo bintu bizakugora weho na Angel uburyo ugiye kwitwaramo.
It's easy to play games with the nigga who looks.
Biba byoroshye gukina n'iniga imikino ireba ibintu biri imbere.
Look around corners.
Ndakwigisha kujya ucunga hirya no hino no kureba hazaza. uburyo kigomba kujya ubu bafite abo muhanganye bose cyangwa se banugiye kuyobora.
Son of a bitch.
Nyana yimbwa famiye sotsi babaye. Uriya mukobwa ninde muzehe harongoye?
Mallory, chill.
Bwira mama wawe ari we ntawe nzi.
Tell me something.
Hagira umbwira. Uriya mukobwa ninde muzehe harongoye?
You have the pleasure?
Urashaka kugira icyo uvuga?
Maybe we should go to your place.
Ahari tujye iwawe abariho tubiganirira.
I would agree.
Nanjye niko mbibona.
That's fine.
Ibyo ni
I
sawa.
want your black ass out my house.
Sinshaka buno kawe k'umukara mu rugo.
What's happening?
Uyatekereza ko yaryamana n'umugore we?
Bullshit.
Ntabyo nari nzi ko muzehe azamurongora.
You wouldn't know that, huh?
Ntabwo yarabizi. Wari ko ubizi yabimenya.
Had to warn me.
Well,
Ariko yagerageje kumburira.
how did he try to walk?
Yagerageje kukuburira ikirere avuga.
I certainly didn't know it was all of this.
Ntabwo nari mbizi ko bizagera hano.
I'm not this morning just like the rest of you.
Nabimenye mu gitondo nkamwe ko muzehe agiye kurongora.
My wife dies and he gets.
Umugore wanjye yarapfuye none ikigoryi cyo gikoze ubukwe.
So I want to know everything about
Ndashaka kugira icyo menya kuri mukobwa arongoye.
and our boss.
Yeah, that part.
Ahubwo tumenye impamvu bamugize ngo boss wacu.
And he can put anyone in as CEO that he wants.
Bivuze ngo yamugize CEO kuko yari asanzwe ari we muyobozi wanyu niwe ugiye kubayobora.
Spell it.
Uriya mukobwa utazi n'uburyo baspellinga CEO niwe ugiye kutubera CEO.
Where?
I don't know, but I have.
Uriya mukobwa ariko ngiye ndumva hari ahantu namubonye ntibuka.
As I suggested before, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Urabizi tuve hano dushaka ahantu tujya kuganira bino bibazo. Ruina arasohoka. Ruina vayo dore kubyimba imbere y'abakira abakobwa bicuruzaga indangamirwa zimaze kuyobora abantu hano. Rain Jules dore ko namurebe umeze ute yajyaga mukanga kera.
How do I look?
Urabona se meze nte? Urabona meze ndabona uri muzima mva kumukangamo.
It's more than I can say.
Ibyo ngibyo rero ngyemeza ibirenze ibyo.
Do you two know each other?
Mwembe abiri muraziranye?
Oh yeah.
Cyane.
We go way back.
Uyu turaziranye cyane.
Perhaps you should remember that in your tone.
Ibyo rero wakagombye kubyibuka n'uburyo mvugishamo. Yego.
Who is Alex?
Alex ninde hano?
That would be me.
Uwo ni nge.
Come with me.
Ngwino tujyane bakobwa bari indangamirwa batangiye gutegeka abakire.
He's my driver.
Wewe ni umushoferi wanjye.
Other one.
Ushaka undi mushoferi nagakira umushoferi wawe turashize.
For me.
Wewe uwo musore arankorera.
You work for
Nawe ariko
Kimmy.
ukorera Kimmy. Ubu Kimmy niwe boss wanjye.
Right, Jules?
Sibyo Jules ntabwo ukorera Kimmy. Bihakane se ko Kimmy atari we boss wawe. Ureba ari we basigiye imirage katabyuka kwirukana. Bakiraho Kimara sohoka na murumuna we. Dore kuna mureba uribuka kuri ndanga. Kimmy dore kumukanga. Banyita Mrs. Barrel Madanuza itamutuka no kuri mama we. Banyita Mrs. Barrel tangira nyine unyubaho unyite madamu w'umukira pana kumenyera unyita Kimmy. Itanamutuka. Indangamirwa nacuruza gitangiye kunuka. Indangamirwa nacuruza gitangiye kunuka kuri mama. Beauty in Black niko tureba.
The language.
Icunga ururimi rwawe aho duturuka nuko tuvuga.
Your sons?
Abose n'abahungu bawe?
Fortunately. No, yes.
Yego n'abahungu banjye.
Then I'm sure you've heard worse than that.
Bivuze ngo wumvisha amagambo mabi kurusha uyu mukobwa avuze. Kimmy nimba warabyaye aba bahungu batukana nka jama.
I don't think we've met. Hi, I'm Mallory.
Ntabwo nyako tugize tuhura banyita Marori.
I know who you are.
Uri wenda kuzi.
Welcome to the family.
Urakaza neza muri famille yacu. Amukora ku rutugu.
Remember? Didn't I see you shaking your ass on the pole?
Ariko nagane nigeze kubona uri kuzunguza kabuno muri club umansura.
Do you coming out of the back?
Wese sinakubonye uva muri wese. Uvuye kuryamana n'umumansuzi w'umugabo ufite ku kayene kuzuru. Turashize.
Oh, she quick.
Mukobwa arabangutse. Ngiye nshobora no kugukunda abatinganye rero.
I like you.
Ngiye no kuri nakwikundi abatinganye no kubabimereye. Ndagufite. Yewe ni umutinganye nta kibazo aba yifitiye abafite vibe ziraho nziza.
Wants to see you.
Hola sarashaka kukubona.
I'm looking at you.
Jewe urabona atari weho ndi kureba. Uyu mukobwa afite ukuntu afunze umutwe nawe bamubwiye ati ni wisuzugure. Muze yamutangiye kumwaka ku masomo ati bara abantu nimba ngugize boss wabo famille yanjye ntibaguhabye.
Doctor, and I'll be back.
Genda uvugane na muganga ndagaruka. Ni Kimmy barikanguye umukobwa kafite n'ukuntu abyimbamo. Dore ukuntu baca ariko izi si zari indangamirwa. Dore ukuntu zibareba. Indangamirwa noneho yabonye amafaranga iragukandagira ikoresha rya tegeko rya mbere. Niryo muze yababwiye bagomba gukoresha no kugenderaho. Itegeko rya mbere iravuga ngo umuntu nakubaho ujye umukandamiza. Niryo indangamirwa rero ziko.
That's really to my fucking driver.
That's not all.
Iriya ndaya yantwariye n'umushoferi.
This shit don't make no damn sense.
bino bintu ntabwo bisobanutse birasobanutse.
What's funny?
Ni iki gisekeje?
Family.
Iyi famiye yanyu
Then why are you a part of it then, Mal?
kuki famiye irimo marori kikuzimu
That's right.
bano bahora batongana
Good shit. And if you didn't have me,
kubera ko uri umukene. Iyo uza kuba utafite wari kuba ukene.
Have you what?
Iyo nza kuba ntarashakanye nawe,
What?
you heard me.
I heard your ass, and I'll be sitting on a yacht with a billionaire.
iyo nza kuba narashakanye nawe nari kuba nicaye ku mazi ndi mu bwato bw'abakire. Wumva abakobwa ukuntu baba bari imibare yabo. Ni ukuvuga ngo areba umugabo we akamubwira ati wa mugabo iyo uza kutanshaka n'ubukene ufite ubu nari kuba nicaranye n'abantu batunze za miliyari turi ku mazi yo za Dubai n'ahandi none reba nashakanye nawe. Nuko abakobwa baba bababona cyane cyane bo n'abagenzi bari byo barimo.
You're selling the yacht with a billionaire, huh?
Wari ko wicaye mu bwato bw'umuntu utunze za miliyari
Would be.
cyane.
That's what I would be doing.
Ahita akuramo impeta.
You have my permission.
Noneho ngo hayura ushya kuri ubwo bwato n'abakire wicareyo. Nimba ubona nk'uveteza ari igihe umugore mushakana ukabona kuveteza.
For woman, Roy.
We naguze imbaraga z'umugore mwiza. Iyo myumvire bana banjye nimukayumve. Wumvishe ariko umugore ngo naguze imbaraga z'umukobwa mwiza z'umugore mwiza icyo zakora.
That's what the hell you do.
That shit.
Ibyo se nibiki?
Be on that
Ubwo bwato
for a day.
unabugiyeho bw'umukire wabumaraho umunsi umwe kandi koko nibyo. Ukeka kuri mwiza ushobora kujya kuri ubwo bwato bw'umukire ariko se wabumaraho ukangaho umukire bukwicazaho rimwe ejo aza n'undi abasimburanya ntabwo wabumaraho kabiri.
It's your first drink.
Look at my darn husband.
Banakurukana kuri ubwo bwato utaramara icyo kunywa cya mbere.
You were sleeping with a whore that was sleeping with.
Waryamanaga n'indaya iyo ndaya ikava ikanaryamana na papa wawe.
How you let Jules do that to you?
Ubundi gute Jules yabakinnye gutyo?
Shit.
And you
Shit.
do shit because you asked him to set you up.
Bivuze ngo wabwiye Shire ngo nagupangira indaya iyo ndaya ipangira na papa wawe mwembi mukajya muryamana nayo. None iyo ndaya yashakanye na papa wawe.
Nasty ass bastard. Look
Cyakoza Shire ni umusazi.
Nasty ass.
Shire ni umusazi kabisa.
you in whores.
We na Horace papa
The
wawe.
same whore that works at a strip club.
Yapanze ukuntu mwese muzajya muryamana n'indaya ikora muri club y'abamansuzi.
And I mean everything.
Mbwira buri kimwe.
I ain't saying shit.
Nta kintu nkubwira.
You know I'm gonna find out anyway, right?
Urabizi ko n'ubundi
I
nzabimenya.
always do.
Didn't do it.
Iteka ndabimenya.
Do.
Just fucking
Wintera ubwoba man.
do it.
Bano bahora batongana nuko bavugana.
Ain't no damn threat.
N'umugabo n'umugore buri gihe untera ubwoba.
Coming to the company
Iriya ndaya yaje muri kampani yacu.
as every
Ubu
day.
buri munsi igiye kujya mbona agatafari kayo muri ofisi.
That she's gonna come to the company
Nizere ko ndahita azaza muri kampani yacu.
office. That's
Nizere ko nazamubona muri ofisi ya papa wawe kandi ofisi ya papa wawe iteganye na ofisi yanjye tuzajya duhora turebana.
Damn right.
if you throw out the window, then all our shares are gone.
Tuzamumanure mu idirishya tumwice imigabane ye tuyisigarane.
You know whose fault this really is? It's that big muscle head ass nigga. That's whose fault it
There ain't no
is.
big muscle. It's your damn daddy.
So ryamana na kiriya cyavoka se.
He did this because your ass taunted him.
It ain't my fault.
Makosa nagara yanjye.
shit.
Makosa
Was
nayawe.
laying in that hospital bed
Ubwo
taunting.
wari uryamye mu bitaro kubera iriya ndaya makosa nayandi.
Are you through?
I'm not.
Urasoje ntabwo ndasoza.
No, because I bet your ass $1 million.
Ndasheta miliyoni ko.
You and Charles are out that damn wheel.
He
Ko
can't.
weho na Charles bashobora no kubakura kuri iriya mirage burundu. Charles ni wa muhungu umutinganyi bavukana.
Don't say that.
Uriya muginga nakifuje ko yagapfuye.
No, you don't.
Ubwo ni papa we.
Because then we'll be stuck with that whore Kimmy running the damn company.
Ubu tugiye kujya twirwana na Kim ayoboye kampani.
You don't want that.
Kandi ibyo nawe ntabwo ubishaka.
I can't believe this shit.
Ntabwo bino nabyizera. Bagiye kuyoborwa n'indaya, ni indaya bajyaga bamwoherereza akayigura ku muhanda imansura ukajya kubona wari umukire papa warakubwiye ngo iyo ndaya igiye kukuyobora. Ibaza ibyo bintu nawe yandangamirwa waguraga 5 dore ngiyi.
Check on Rain and my sister.
No. Hold on.
Ngiye kuzana Rain na mushiki wanjye.
I need you to add Sylvia.
Ndagira ngo wongereho Sylvie na Rain
I will.
na Angel mu mirage yanjye.
Part of our family.
Ubagire famiye yacu.
Yes, sir.
Yego. Muze akunda wa mumansuzi w'umusore shaho. Nabo barindwe nk'uko abandi barindwa mu mirage bari gushyiramo.
I use the same language your father used.
Okay, ndakoresha ururimi nk'urwo papa wawe yakoresheje.
When can you do it?
Urabikora
Get
ryari?
on it as soon as I leave here, sir.
Yivano ndahita mbikora.
Okay. I need it done today.
Absolutely.
I want you to tell her everything.
Wait,
Uyu mukobwa umubwire buri kimwe.
if he's gonna tell me
Uyu
everything.
muntu ndamenya n'iki bwirwa n'iki kari bumubwire buri kimwe.
You can leave.
We busohotse bugiye.
Yes, sir.
Kimmy,
Kimi,
I told you not to ask me.
narakubwiye ngo ntukambaze ibibazo nk'ibyo ngibyo imbere y'abandi bantu.
You can't trust none of these motherfuckers. I'm gonna be in your ass.
Bano bantu nta numwe ugomba kwizera.
You got a lot to learn before I die. I'm not gonna be here that long. And I don't have
ntago nzamara hano igihe kinini
to worry about hurting your feelings.
ntago mfite rero igihe kinini cyo kukubona uhangayikishijwe n'ibyiyumviro byawe wasasa. Yego muzehe rero
What he doesn't know,
ikintu rero yatazi
got another firm.
nuko mfite indi cabinet avoka y'abandi bantu.
Tells me
buri kintu n'umwavoka mbwiye
it's verified.
jya kuri iyo cabinet avoka y'abandi bavoka nabo bakakiverifiye bakambwira nimba aricyo cyayambeshye.
Pay attention.
uyu mugabo ajya kubwira buri kimwe utega amatwi umurikodinge
Go to the firm.
nurangiza
You ask them questions.
ujye ku yindi cabinet avoka y'abavoka bakubwire nimba aribyo cyangwa yashatse kukubeshya.
I can't because he's so smart, but
ake abo bavoka bandi baramwanga kuko azi ubwenge bwinshi. ujya kubabaza rero amakuru baba bapingana bavoka avoka mega kubwira ikintu kimwe ukajya ku yindi cabinet avoka bakakubwira ikindi cyase bagahuza bakakubwira ati nibyo urebe.
okay,
rero
you should go to the house.
cya mu rugo
More issue.
ndacyafite ibibazo byinshi.
What?
ibihe
That night when Jules was...
icyajoro ubwo Jire yari ari kunyirukankana n'iby'imodoka.
There was a man in the back seat.
iyo modoka nayisanzemo umuntu wari uyirimo inyuma.
The father-in-law of
uwo
some...
muntu akaba sebukwe wa Daniel Lakeland.
How do you know that?
ibyo bizi ute?
Angel saw it on the news as
Angel abibonye mu makuru.
hat and coat.
Where's the car now?
iyo modoka iri heza ubu.
It was in the parking garage last I knew.
ubwo mperuka kumenya riri mu igaraje hasi aho baparika.
Went to go check on it.
cyangwa se Angel agiye kuyireba ni wa musore.
You head to the house and I'll handle it.
we jya mu rugo ibindi ndabyitaho. muzehe
Okay.
sawa. ubwo urugo agiyemo kandi ni urwa muzehe nirwo agiye kuyobora kuko ubu ni madamu muzehe mu nyandiko niwe usigaranye ibintu byose mu nyandiko. urebe ukuntu voka yimbwa imanuka iheye. ushobora kuba uri indangamirwa ku muhanda ejo ukabona ibintu birahindutse. cyase mwese mwigire no ku muhanda wabona ariho amafaranga bategerereje ko n'ubundi ntababyaye ntacyo mumubwiye.
What?
mujye mubabaza biwanyu. uri hehe?
I'm in my where?
ndi hehe nyine?
At your brother's house, Charles.
uri mu rugo rw'umuvandimwe wawe? ntago ndi bugeyo.
Look, I need to get some rest. I'm going out.
nkeneye kuruhuka nijoro ndajya muri club.
You serious?
umutinganyi w'ikimuhangayikishije no kujya muri club.
What can I do?
none se papa nimba yashakanye n'indangamirwa ngiye bindeba yiki?
Thinking about this.
I don't need to be thinking about shit, but where my next piece of ass is coming from. I also think I want Chinese tonight.
iri joro ndashaka kuryamana n'umuntu ukomoka mu Bushinwa.
Charles.
wumve uyu niyo cyo kiba kimuhangayikishije.
You told me.
Varni warambwiye.
You tried to warn me.
wagerageje kumpa gasopo. kuki wabibwiye famiye yawe?
Well, you did.
ariko warabikoze.
On you and confident.
nabikubwiye nkwizeye ngo bigume hagati yacu.
Well,
okay.
Charles, you can't tell them the shit that I'm telling
ibintu nakubwiye ntabwo ugomba kubwira famiye yawe.
okay, I'm sorry.
aho kumbabarire.
you. I just won't tell you shit.
cyangwa se nzongere kugira icyo nkubwira.
Well, it'd be great.
byaba ari byose aho utagize icyo umbwira ubundi gucya umbwira ibintu by'amabanga.
Charles, are you going over there or what?
ndagiye ugiyeze.
Look, I got another call, another
hari
line.
indi telefone ngiye ku wundi murongo.
Somebody on the other line.
nta wundi murongo uriho.
It's not a telephone line, it's a line of...
ntabwo mvuga umurongo wa telefone ndavuga umurongo wa kokayine. akarayini arashaka gutereka amakarayini. njya mbabona mubinywa. cyaze mumbabaza ntacyo dupfana rwose.
Well, you're doing better. So we can discharge you.
ubu ngubu umeze neza twagusezerera.
That's all I need.
nibyo ngibyo yewe yari yagize ikibazo yagiye kwiyongeresha ikibuno none baramubwiye ngo ameze
Stay
neza.
on the blood thinners, and if you have any pain,
nugira uburibwe wumva ujye uduhamagara ni abaganga tugukurikirane.
Come with any clothes?
harya naje hano nta myenda nambaye?
no, actually.
yeah.
But I'll have the nurse bring you.
ariko nabwira abaforomo bakakuzanira indi myenda. batangiye kumwubaha baze kujya kwa muganga bakakubwira ati turakuzanira n'imyenda utaha wambaye humura. riga ni abacuruzi babakubona iyo uri umugore w'umukire cyangwa umva ndi kureba inzu ya wa musaza online amazu y'abakira bari ku mbuga nkoranyambaga.
See it in person.
iriya nzu noneho muyibonye amaso ku yandi mwakumirwa niyo bagiye kujya babamo. ni indangamirwa eshatu.
Feel about this driver.
ariko biriya bintu byo kuduha umushoferi njye simbyize ngo witwa Alex.
Look, we in this shit now.
umva bino buno tubirimo.
He said to trust the man, so we just...
uriya musaza tugomba kumwizera n'ibyo yatubwiye.
No way.
sinzi Rain Kimi.
The man just married
uriya
you
mugabo
out of-
mwashyingiranwe nta hantu agukinze imitungo ye wenda ngo ni ivanguramutungo ahita agushyira imitungo ye yose.
Really going good for us. Can we just go with it?
tuze wana tugendane n'ibiri kugenda n'ibiri kuba
He makes sure you two are straight.
nje nzatuza ari uko mwembi namwe babashyize mu mirage ko mutekanye bazabarindira umutekano
Feel like you know him, Rain. You do not.
mubigira nkaho muzehe umuzi cyane Horace
We gotta trust somebody.
nje icyo nzi nuko tugomba kugira umuntu twizera
Do this.
kandi ndizeye
Man got a mansion.
uriya mugabo afite inzu
We can ride.
afite amafarasi mu rugo tuzajya tugendaho tutishyuye data twigendere iyi nanjye ibyo mbirimo ibintu by'ubuntu ngenda niruka dore ukuntu ibintu by'ubuntu ariko bibirukanza hano hari ugira amakenga buriya ngo inyamanza idakenga yishwe n'umututizi
It's far
uwo
out.
mugani se shamu wamuzi n'icyo uvuze
It's worth it.
hakurino
Why you say that?
You see it, you'll know why.
So how long have you worked for Jules?
maze igihe kingana icyo ukorera jiri
I'm a cop of the city of Chicago.
genda umupolisi nkorera umujyi wa Chicago
Should I ask him again?
nongere mubazera
Should.
yongera
How long have you worked?
maze igihe kingana icyo ukorera jiri
I don't work for Jules.
ntabwo nkorera jiri
I work for the Bellery family.
nkorera famiye yose ya ba Bellary
So he on that shit.
urongeye kandi
Nothing.
kuki uri kumuvugisha gutyo ntacyo
Why are you speaking to him like that?
kuki uri kumubwira nyine gutyo
I wanna talk.
He's Japanese.
uyu ni wimwita iniga uyu ni umuyapani iyo ni iniga
Only niggas work for you.
amaniga niyo akorera jiri ubwo ni abirabura
What is your racial background?
rata ukomoka he
I'm Japanese.
ndi umuyapani wumvishe
You got some soul in.
njye ndi kubona ubeshye
And black. And Dutch.
ndi umwirabura uvanze
Nigga.
n'umudage
Japa nigga.
urumva kuri japaniga rero uri umuniga
You know I know who you are, right?
urabizi ko nzi uriwe ariko
I mean, besides my name.
birenze izina ryanjye se
I was at Delinda's. Hiding behind.
nari ndi kwa Delinda nishe inyuma y'intebe ye ubwo wazanaga n'indi nyitwa mupolisi
Came in there looking for something for Jules.
muze gushaka ngo ikintu cya jiri
Heard y'all talking.
numvishe ibyo mwaganiriye
Well, if you remember correctly,
nimba bibuka neza
officer tracks.
nari ndi kubwira umwofisi bita Traxon
Everything you've been through,
ko nyuma y'ibyo wanyuzemo byose
I don't blame you for what you did.
ko nta kurenganya ibyo wakoze
What did she do?
yari yakoze iki se mukuru wanjye
She broke a very expensive table.
yari yavunnye imeza ihenze kumbe yari yishe umuntu yari yarashederiye indu yaramuvuganira ngo yari yamennye imeza
You're
ihenze
gonna really love the house.
inzu tugiyemo muraza kuyikunda
The lavish lifestyle.
ewana babayeho ubuzima bwiza
Small talk.
utwo tugambo duceceke
Eye on you.
turi kugucunga
I'm glad you are.
ndishimiye ko muri kuncunga
We don't like or trust you.
ntabwo tugukundana n'ubwo tukwizera
I can understand that.
ndabyumva rwose
Don't move.
nukora ikosa rimwe rimwe
I got it.
ndabyumva kuyoborwa n'indangamirwa zabyimbye ziba
Running the
kubera ziba zarabayeho ubuzima bubi ziba zigutunga akakosa kamwe tuba tukureba
is broke.
That's a lot of broken.
ariko izo meza ko numva zavunitse ari nyinshi
Nobody really. We were there last night trying to hold it all together.
ijoro ryahise twari turi kugerageza gushyira ibintu ku murongo
Nothing.
Nah, what?
ikiza
I know you.
ndakuzi
Oh, you do.
nanjye ndakuzi mumbabarire ndabizi kunzi
Table can't be.
nsobanuye nk'ababana imeza zavunitse ntabwo zakusanywa ngo zisubire ku murongo
What about body?
badi se bitebye
Body's in the hospital.
badi ari mu bitaro niya ndangamirwa badi ari mu bitaro
Yeah.
yego
She's alive.
aracyari muzima
Yeah, from what I heard.
niyo makuru numvishe
Guess her table didn't.
ndumva imeza ye rero itaravunitse cyane
Take, what are y'all doing?
ariko izo meza zivunika muri kuvuga niziye kumbe ni ukurasa abantu yagiye arasa ngo nizo meza bari
Guess we gonna have to pay somebody a little visit.
njye ndumva dukwiye kumusura
Oh, we ain't visiting nobody,
nta
right?
muntu tugomba gusura Rain
You got unfinished business with her, and I
umva we nawe mufitanye business zitarangiye
already done broke a
wavunnye
table.
imeza
At least break a chair.
ahari nanjye najyayo nkavuna intebe
Y'all talking about?
ariko muri kuvuga ibiki aka ni karumunake
Orders, girl, be quiet.
ni oda twakoze kuri Amazon we ntabwo wabyumva aka ni akana
You know Dega?
daga uramuzi
No.
oya
They call her the pump queen.
bamwita Pump Queen
No, I don't, but
ntabwo muzi
Find her.
ariko namugushakira
Yeah, you do that.
iyo munshakire
I need to have a word with both of them.
ndashaka kuganira nabo bombi daga na Pump Queen birimo babonye amafaranga indangamirwa zabonye amafaranga sasa zitangiye kubaririza izindi ndangamirwa zabahohoteraga ku muhanda aho ziri ureba indangamirwa yabonye umufungo biraza kugenda biguha ishusho
I did.
bahamagare nabikoze
In here anyway.
none siko batubwiye ngo turahurira hano bari
We need to figure this shit.
tugomba bino bintu kubanza kubisobanukirwa
That's how to take his ass down.
tugomba gushaka ukuntu tumushyira hasi no man
A minute.
Didn't you try to rob him?
ntabwo wagerageje kwiba muzehe se Wallace?
Huh? You know damn well he don't carry that much money at that.
ubundi wari ubizi ko adabitse n'amafaranga menshi mu rugo.
Are you broke?
ese nta n'atanu ufite? warakennye?
You are broke.
hakuzi ko n'amafaranga ufite mukecuru?
You never did keep your money very well.
ntabwo n'ubundi uri umuntu uzi kubika amafaranga wasubiye mu rusimbi.
This is a conversation we having.
iki nicyo kiganiro turimo. njye ntabwo nkennye. uyaraseka mukecuru n'amafaranga ufite wasubiye mu rusimbi rurayarya. ubu se basi iyo usheta ku kadege kawe nako ko gatanga amafaranga.
Need that money every month.
niyo mpamvu ukeneye amafaranga buri kwezi muzehe yaguhaga.
You can tell me.
ahari nanjye mba meze nkayo nkuriye mfite club itemewe n'amategeko y'amansuzi nari kuba mbitse amafaranga menshi nk'ayawe. bivuze ngo ufite umururumba. uzi umuntu wanyise ngo ndi igisambo mfite umururumba icyo namukoreye. uracyakoresha za tekinike za kera nakwigishije se? nawe ngushakira ishashi se ngushyiremo. umukecuru ni umugome ariko ngo yabyigishijwe n'uyu musaza. ukeneye angahe? yena amafaranga menshi ya yandi menshi nyine atarekeraho kwinjira. uzi impamvu rero turi hano. rebe umukecuru n'umwicanyi twaramubonye baza guparika hano n'izango nziza. hey rebe
Here comes the colon sculpture.
uyasa hakurino.
Are they not here?
ntabwo baragera hano. bari mu nzira baza.
Shit, I'm going back home.
ngende itahiye. uretse ndabona baje. hari indi yo yisiza. nizo bagendamo. yahageze na madamu.
Where the hell is Attorney Varney?
ni Roy. avoka Varney ari hehe?
We'll talk about it inside, Mom.
muze tubiganirire indani mama. yo rebe
Oh, there you are.
Shut up.
ziba.
Excuse me. He wanted to see me.
ngo yashaka kumbona.
What? Well, he wanted to add some people to the will.
yasakaga ko twongera abandi bantu.
He wanted to protect them.
ngo kugira ngo bari abandi babiri nabo baze kuba barinzwe.
Tight for us.
You need to ask the right questions.
And what are the questions?
ufite kubaza ibibazo bizima. ibihe bibazo bizima?
Why the fuck you protecting them?
ubundi bari abantu kuki mukwiye kubarinda?
Who are the people?
ubundi abo bantu ni bande? Vanny.
Well, the people you saw in the room.
babandi mwabonye mu cyumba.
Named Angel.
n'undi muhungu bita Angel. Angel?
Yeah.
yego.
He didn't have his last name for him.
nta rindi zina rye rya nyuma yari afite.
But he's gonna get it for me later.
ariko ndaza kurishaka.
This Angel look.
uwo Angel asa gute se?
I have no idea.
ntago mbizi.
What is it, little brother? Is that name turning you on?
izina rye se urumva nawe ritumye umushaka?
I do not want to hear no disgusting.
oya rekera kuvuga umwanda wawe.
He works at the club with Kimmy.
yakoraga muri club na Kimmy amansura.
Well, what kind of club is
isi yo club ni nyabaki?
I can take you there.
nakujyana ushaka kuyimenya.
This is serious.
werekeraho biri seri.
One night.
iri joro ndajya muri iyo club rega kwirira show.
Shit.
ntabwo dushaka kubyumva.
Your ears even work. Shut up.
Look you.
ase urashaje amatwi nta nubwo acyumva.
Whoop your mouth.
wakenuye no gutimbura.
Hey.
Norman.
Down, calm
Tuza.
down.
Lord have mercy. I cannot believe that he married some.
ntabwo nakwizera ko umugabo wanjye yashakanye n'indaya kugira ngo yihorere.
Well, then we all know that it isn't love.
turabizi ko biriya atari urukundo.
We can challenge.
ese biriya bintu nta kuntu twabirwanya.
We should do.
Let's.
twabikora.
The attorney has to.
reka twumve icyo avoka avuga.
Talk to me like I'm fucking.
we wimvugisha nkaho ndi ikigoryi.
But the attorney Barney.
njye ndumva avoka Vanny ntamushaka hano.
Fuck up.
wese
Quack, Mom.
ni ikigoryi uriya.
Can we contest it?
nta kuntu twarwanya rino shingirwa ry'iriya ndaya n'umugabo wanjye.
It's incompetent.
tukavuga ko iriya ndaya idashoboye akazi.
Dude, he don't even know this bitch.
iriya ndaya nta nubwo ayizi neza. avoka urata watubwira uyu mugore sasa Marori ameze nk'aho ari ufite ubwenge usobanutse nyine ubushaka kumva ibintu amategeko avuga abandi bo n'ugupfa kuvuga. avoka aratavuga.
Well, that's why he wanted the witnesses there.
impamvu muze rero tutarwanya rino shingirwa rye n'iriya ndaya yashakanye nayo ngo mubashe kuba mwatesha agaciro ubuyobozi n'imigabane bayihaye mu yandi magambo. niyo mpamvu muze yajya gushyingiranwa n'iriya ndaya yahamagaye abatanga buhamya
And a judge to do a copy
agahamagara noneho n'umucamanza
to prove that he's in his right mind.
kugira ngo bamukoreshe cya kizamini kigaragaza ko yari muzima yashyingiranywe n'umuntu ari muzima afite ubwenge nta wamushutse.
Obviously he's not in his right mind.
Ariko muze yabikoze ameze nk'udafite ubwenge.
That shit with that bitch.
Yaba afite ubwenge ne gushakana n'iriya ndaya.
Legally.
Data mu buryo bw'amategeko ntabwo ibyo bintu twabirwanya.
I'm afraid not.
Ntabwo bishoboka.
Protected his shares and diluted some of them.
Uriya mugabo imigabane yose iri kuri uriya mugore iramurinze.
How much?
Iyo migabane ingana gute ko namwe babakasa ahubwo ababwiye ko babakasa.
Well, him being the eldest son.
Bitewe nuko ari wari imfura. Yabakasiye 10%.
Bad as I thought.
Ndumva atari bicane nkuko nabitekerezaga. Buri muntu wese muri mwe bamukasa 10% ku migabane ye.
What?
Bayashyira kuri iriya ndaya kugira ngo iriya ndaya bari nayiza kubiyoboye.
How much money I'll be losing?
Uzaye amafaranga ndibuze kuba mombye. We ni twese badukase.
Motherfucker, this shit is not over.
Bino bintu ntabwo byarangira gutyo.
Bitch, I want to know everything about her.
Iriya ndaya ndashaka kuyimenyaho buri kimwe ituma twese badukata 10%. Buri muntu ku migabane ye bamukase 10% bayahira iriya ndaya. Bino bintu sinabyemera. Buri muntu ku migabane ye muri company bamukase 10% bayashyira kuri iriya ndaya. Ubona hano.
Okay, well, I guess you'll explain to me how this
uraza
messes with my
kunsobanurira ibyo bintu bijyanye n'imigabane ngiye nta rubwo mba ndi kubyumva iwe nta nubwo bari kubyumva kumubwira ngo bamukase 10% ntabwo yize nta mibarazi w'abayibereye aho mu biyobyabwenge. Yego ndaza kukubwira iby'imibare nyuma.
Can you make it soon, please?
Uze kubikora vuba.
No, I'm going out tonight.
Kuko iri joro ndibuze gusohoka nje ahantu bita
Excuse me.
noneho ahantu bita touchdown nje kwinywera akantu. Kwa Raki niho biri kubera na Minga niho abasinzi bari guhurira bakarya show n'undi bugi
Mannequin nigga.
Ako uri igishushanyo kuki ugihagaso
Go run with someone else's life, man.
shaka undi muntu ujya kwangiriza ubuzima.
Attorney Varney, thank you.
Urakoze ratavoka.
Just give me a call if you
uze kumumagara nugira icyo ukenera.
Will do.
Ndabikora. Oya.
Don't call her, nigga, call me.
Ntumumagarira umugore uhamagara nge. Guki?
Do not hit me, nigga. Don't.
Sasa yungu yakeka ko avoka Varney aryamana n'umugore we kumba aryamana na Charles. Charles.
Why are you such a fucking ass?
Ese kuki umubwira nabi?
Let me ask you something.
Ako reka ngira icyo nkubaza.
Did you know that big nigga was fucking?
Murabizi kino niga iryamana n'umugore wanjye.
Why don't we just
ariko bakoresha imvugo mbi ntugire ngo nkuko mvuze ngo kuryamana nyine nikaba mubajije nyine itawimagine ari nka cya kigabo kibyibushye kiri kubivuga imvugo cyakoresha niyo nabakoresheje.
Lie train?
No, tell no lie.
You are a liar, but why don't we get to the truth?
Kuki tutabwizanya ukuri?
I told you in the car.
Nkuko nakuye mu modoka.
Bitch that you were sleeping with is now married to
indaya mwaryamanaga yashyingiranywe na so. Ibyo bintu kuki uri kubyirengagiza?
sick shit.
Urumva ibyo bintu bitababaje?
You and your
we na so
fucking the same piece of pussy.
Mwaryamanaga ku mana yanjye. Mwaryamanaga basi n'umukobwa umwe kugira ngo byubahe ariko bamwumvisha ukuntu abivuzemo. Mwakiki kuki ni iki kimwe? Discipline ntayo.
Let me talk to you.
Tugiye kuvugana.
My office?
Garage.
No, you don't. Not in private.
Umva ntago mwaganira mwenyine nanjye ndaza.
You better be careful. Your mother's not here.
We wicunge mama we ntawe uri hano. Bisobanuye iki?
What is that? Your resting bitch face?
No.
Kuri kureba isura nk'iyindaya.
I'm looking at
oya iyi sura niyo mba mfite yo ndi kureba umuntu w'ikigoryi.
Stupid motherfucker.
Iyo ndi kureba ikigoryi nuko mba ndeye.
Think about this bitch.
Ndashaka kumenya buri kimwe kuri iyo ndaya igiye kutuyobora. Ubwo bari kuvuga Kimi.
No, I'm the fixer.
Urinde suri president. Ndukemura ibibazo. Nkemura ibibazo byawe byose. Nkemura ibibazo bya so. Nkemura ibibazo bya nyoko. Nkemura ibibazo bya company. Bivuze ngo ni njurenze. Kandi koko niwe muntu usa nk'uri seriye muri uru rugo.
I'm done with you. Years ago.
Je nawe twararangizanyije imyaka myinshi yashize.
Something I couldn't fix.
Hari ikintu kimwe cyananiye gutunganya. Ikintu cyananiye gutunganya muri iyi famiye yanyu nuko igitsina cyawe kitakibasha gufata umurego.
It works perfectly with another woman.
Umva igitsina cyanjye ndi kumwe n'abandi bagore batari weho kirakora neza gifata umurego. Tutararenga hano mbabanze mbabwira akantu kamwe. Ushobora kuba nyine wumvisha ijambo n'umugore avuze ngo igitsina cyawe wa mugabo wanjye we ntago kigifata umurego. Ariko umugabo aramubwiye ati ariko iyo ndi kumwe n'abandi bagore tugiye kuryamana gifata umurego. Buriya rero nimba hari ikintu kivura navumbuye igitsina gufata umurego ukanahatwika ugakora neza, jya muri farumasi yose kwegereye ugenda ubaza akantu kitwa ngo kawaviti Kawaviti urayizi? Kawaviti yo yinjira muri farumasi gura uduhumbi duke nimba ari 200 nimba ari uduhumbi 3 ukajyane mu rugo wisomereho bakita Kawaviti urebe none ibikorwa biri buze kugenda bihinduka mu myubakire y'urugo mu mabanga y'abashakanye cyangwa se ushaka gutahana amapeti wica muri farumasi nujya gutaha ubabwira ati mume Kawaviti tuma umumotari atijya muri farumasi iyo ari yo yose mu gihugu babwira ati mpa Kawaviti urebe ibintu biri buze kuba Baby,
let's talk.
Urabizi tujye kuvugana.
Right behind your ass.
Umva ndagukurikira.
But you know what, Jules?
Ako jiro bizi.
Disappointing it is to have a man with a dick.
Uzi uburyo bibabaza kugira umugabo ufite igitsina kidafata umurego. Uzi ikuntu bibabaza mbega ni kumbwira ngo ukuntu bibabaza kugira umugabo udafutanywa Kawaviti utazi Kawaviti ibintu iri gukora hano hanze. Umugore nicyo kimubabaza cyane. Guturiya mugabo ari injije atazi ko hari akantu kitwa Kawaviti. Nibyo bibabaza no mugore.
I don't know anything about that.
Ariko umugabo nawe akavuga ati nyamara ngiye nuko wenda atari weho niyumvamo buriya birashoboka umugabo wabona atanamwiyumvamo ariko umugabo twaramubonye yageze mu ndaya n'abandi bakobwa bo hanze arahatwika.
Let me just talk to him for a second.
Urabizi reka muvugishe segonda.
Let me just please.
Buretse muvugishe.
Okay, talk.
Sawa. Ni umuryango kandi urugo rumeze nka zango zanyu zose.
Jules. Gilles. No, you don't know. Did you set him up?
What did I tell you?
I don't give a damn what you told me. Did you put that bitch in?
Iriya ndaya niwe wayipashe papa.
Why would I do that?
Yeah, you did it.
Just think about it. I wouldn't do that.
No, Jules, you actually would do some shit like that. That's the thing, you would.
Roy, you need to calm down. All right?
Ukeneye gutuza. Ndaza kugushakira undi mukobwa utaruriya muryamana.
Trust you no more.
Ntago nyikwizera.
Matter of fact,
uzi?
I've been working on.
Maze kumaze iminsi ndi no kuyigushakira iyo ndaya.
You gonna love her.
Uraza kuyikunda.
Missive.
Ikubaha.
Anything you want.
Izajya gukorera icyo ushaka cyose. Sasa ino family ifite ibibazo. Abantu bari mu bibazo ko indaya igiye kubayobora yajyaga iryamana nawe none bari kumubwira tuza kuba amafaranga n'ibiki byose iyo ndaya igiye ndaza kugushakira indi ndaya muzajya muryamana. Urumva ko aricyo cyari kimuhangayikishije. Niriya ndaya wamaye mbere nabyo niko wambwiraga.
I know, but this one is a.
Iyi ngiyo ndayizeye. Nukuri ndakubwiza ukuri. Ndagukubita pase y'amazi. Hey. Uranzi. Ndagukubita pase.
I do know you, Jules.
Ndakuzi Gilles.
I do.
Ndakuzi.
Like I said, look at the fucking situation.
Iyo situation turimo nona.
Lives with my fucking father.
Let me just set it up.
Uriya mukobwa agiye kuba ameze nka papa.
Gonna love her.
Bugiye muri hoteli basi nk'iminsi 2 umaranemo iminsi 2 niyo ndaya ngiye kuguhuza nayo iminsi 2. Roy.
You need to calm down.
Ufite gutuza.
Going on.
Ufite ibibazo byinshi biri kujya mbere.
I do.
Ndabifite.
So do what you need to do and get in the hotel and just do your.
Gaho muri hotel ukora akazi kawe muze n'uwo mukobwa ndebe ko ibibazo byanjye byashira. Mbega famille.
Done.
Sawa. Wibuke kugura Kawaviti.
I will drop my wife around. The tall one.
Kira kigori gisigaye gitwara umugore wanjye. Sinshaka kuzongera kukibona aravuga vuga.
He's gone.
Yagiye. Ndakomeje. Sasu yakeka kavuka ryamana n'umugore. Kumba avuka we n'umutinganye. Burari giye mukeka abantu ngo baryamana n'abagore banyu. Kumba abantu baryamana ahubwo n'abagabo banyu.
I got it.
Ndakumva. Yeah.
Is she still in there?
Aracyari maho yi. Ajya sinshaka guhura n'umugore wanjye. Pfa kwinjira. Uyu mugabo. Kigoryi gusa. Uyu arabatuka arabazi ko bakororejwe n'ibiyobyabwenge baze kari ubaguri ubapasa inda. Jackson. Uwo muntu mwamukuye. Yarari mu modoka yibwe ya Lakeland. Angel.
Got yourself in some deep shit, boy.
Wa mukinge wishize mu bibazo bikomeye. Angel dore nguyu. Kora telefone. Hamagara hano.
Yeah.
Yego?
Jules.
Gilles.
You won't believe this.
Ntago bintu uri bubyize.
Time for small.
Nta mwanya mfite utuganiro tworoshye.
Angel is here.
Angel ari hano.
Where is he?
Hehe.
She at the police station.
Ari kuri station ya polisi.
For the Lakeland carjacking.
Bamufunze kubera gushimuta imodoka ya Lakeland.
I'm on my way.
Ndi mu nzira nza.
To be here, I got him.
Ndaba ndi hano mufite. Rebe. Yeah.
tell him thank you for the hit. Breaking up, ninja, we ain't breaking this. Come try your luck.
Barakwereka ya ndangamirwa yindiri mu modoka iyi nimba muyibuka muri ya club y'amansuzi. Ndangamirwa none iyo zabonye imodoka murazizi zigenda. Hello.
Hi. May I speak to Felicia?
Naba ndi kuvugana na Felicia.
Who this is?
Ninde tuvugana? Mallory.
Who?
Inde?
The lady on the perm bar.
Wa mugore mwauri muri club akagutamo.
Hey. Hi.
Biti.
What's up?
Meze biti.
I have $1,000.
Mfite igihumbi nshaka kuguha $1.
Shit. You need a brain.
Cinzanire.
Look, you haven't called me about Kim.
Utamamagenga mu makuru ya Kimi.
Oh. Cause I ain't seen her.
Nukubera ko ntigeze mubona.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Well, actually, I did see.
Nako naramubonye.
But look, you gonna have to tell me what you want all this.
Ariko mbwira impamvu ukeneye amakuru ya Kimi.
Listen, do you want the money?
Ese urashaka amafaranga?
Okay, tell me.
Rero mbwira amakuru ye.
I don't talk without cash.
Nago navuga utarama cash.
Don't.
Indaya nyinshi niko mumera. Wiki?
Give me that money.
We mama faranga.
I'll meet you with it.
Tugomba guhura.
I ain't that stupid.
We nago ndi ikigoryi.
Actually, I think you are.
Genda cye kuri cyo.
Do you want the money or?
Urashaka amafaranga cyangwa?
In my damn.
Ende yashaka mu ntoki.
How about we do this?
Reka nkwereke.
Why don't you tell me a little?
Sira makuru macuma kuri Kimi.
You with the money and then.
No nituza guhura uze kuma ndi makuru asigaye ngo amafaranga.
Now why would I do that?
Kubera iki byo nabikora?
Felicia, it's business.
Felicia ni business.
Do you know how much money?
Ako uza amafaranga nkorera muri club.
I also know that your throat is.
Ndabizi kujya umeze nabi mu ngoto. Ukava ku kazi tujya kwa muganga.
You a real bitch.
Akuri indaya.
No, I am.
Ndabizi ndiyo.
And I'm offering you the kind of money to where you don't have to run to the clinic.
Ndashaka amafaranga ku buryo utazajya usubira kwa muganga.
But will you fuck with $3,000?
Wakinisha ibihumbi 3.
10,000.
Niyo bya bihumbi 10.
Money in my hand.
Iyo nafite cash mu ntoki. Nta kintu navuga.
How about this?
Kamwereke.
What's your address?
Mbwira iyo utuye.
Come and get it from me.
Magusange nzuma ayo mafaranga.
Address, you're not coming here.
Urabizi nago nago address zaho ntuye nago wanzira mu rugo. Mvira muri phone rero ahita mukupa. Indangamirwa. A1. Aramukubye. Yininja. Uyarashaka amakuru?
Redial her 10,000 times.
Yeah. Uyarashaka kwimenyera amakuru. Marori niwe muntu uri seri arashaka kumenya amakuru ya nyayo kuri Kimi amenya umuntu ugiye kubayobora. Do. Ibi nta kibazo aba yifitiye. Apfa kuba yabonye kokayine aza muri firigo. Yabonye kawaviti kugira ngo abashe kubinoza nta kindi kibazo aba afite. Yo. Zano. Yo. Meze bite?
What a day.
Mbega umunsi.
You ain't gonna pour me one?
Je nago nsukira kuri bombastic. Suka muhano.
You know what I love?
Uzi icyo nkunda?
Me?
Singewe.
How you just be walking in here like this your house?
Usige winjira wanjye nkari wawe.
It ain't gonna be yours either if you don't start taking this seriously.
Nawe mbamoni nonzo utayifata ngo biri serious.
What does that mean?
Bisobanuye iki?
Charles, you got diluted by 10%.
Bagukase 10% ku migabane yawe. Ariko bisobanuye iki? Nsobanurira.
About $8 million.
Mbega ni nka hafi miliyoni 8 wakaswe z'idolari. Okay. Nabwo ntabyumvisha. Nta mibaraza. Abona arya nyina akanywe. Uzi icyo bisobanuye?
You just told me.
Nyina urabimbwiye.
Charles.
Charles.
You even look at the accounts.
Ubundi ujye ureba kuri konti yawe cyangwa urya amafaranga gusa.
Let me explain this to you.
Reka mbigusobanurire.
As I have over and over again, you get a certain amount of
ufite amafaranga buri kwezi yinjira ashingiye ku migabane yawe.
That goes down.
Ayo mafaranga yagiye hasi kandi amaze iminsi ajya hasi.
You're not going to be able to afford.
Nta nubwo uzigera ubasha kwishyura inunzu ubamo cyangwa se kuyigumana cyangwa amamodoka yawe cyangwa se indaya zawe
or your drugs
cyangwa se ibiyobyabwenge byawe.
Make sure that shit don't happen.
Nyine ubikora uko ushoboye. Sura avoka wanjye ntibikunde. Ukora uko ushoboye amafaranga yanjye ntamanuke.
Not taking this seriously.
Bino bintu ntabwo uri kubifata nkaho biri seri.
You know all them numbers and shit give me a headache.
No uzi ko imibare intesha umutwe. Ntukambwira ibintu by'imibare.
I care. If you don't.
Kuki nabyitaho se nimba nawe utabyitaho iby'imibare y'amafaranga yawe?
Care.
Ugomba kubyitaho.
Why should I?
Kubera iki nabyitaho? Nawe utabyitaho.
Arnie, I appreciate you looking out for me. Okay, but
what?
Iki.
Aren't you worried about your car being parked out front?
Ese nagutekereza uhangayikishijwe nuko imodoka yanjye iparitse hanze. Yeah, iparitse hanze. Nayishyize mu garage.
The fuck you parking my garage for?
Why not? You got an empty space because of the Lambo, right? Oh, you remember that night? Chasing your whores, car gets shot up, we think you're dead, you know, all that shit. All that bullshit you keep putting us through. Remember that? That's why it's in the garage.
All right, so I guess your little excuse worked, huh?
Ndakeka inzitwazo zawe zirarangiye. Nta rwitwazo mfite.
I came over to talk to you.
Naje hano kuvugana nawe. Nanone.
If you say so.
Imba ari kumivusa. Iwe nta kibazo na kimwe abafite. Ahita caho.
Where you going?
Ugiye?
Take a nap.
Ngiye kuba nirambitse. Ku karahure.
How am I supposed to help you help yourself?
Kuki udashaka ngo ufasha kwifasha?
Well,
byiza.
You know how horny I get.
Urabizi ukuntu mba mfite akantu k'ubushake bwo gukora imibonano. Ubwo buryo bwibashye
right now.
Ngiye ndumva ari cyo nyeneye none hakuza tukaryamana turashize tukastani. Uno musore kubera kunywa kawafiti rero cyane aca kuri farumasi buri gihe ataje akanywa ka kawafiti ahorana ubushake bwinshi.
You do know your dad is in the hospital.
Urabizi papa wari mu bitaro. Ndetse ari gupfa.
Right?
Ibyo urabizi?
Yeah.
Ndabizi. Ko papa rigwaye ari gupfa.
You can think about his sex.
None we kiri gutekereza ni imibonano mpuzabitsina.
I'll be thinking about sex at his funeral.
No ku kiriyo cye niyo nzaba ndi gutekereza. Urashaka ko turyamana cyane nabyo ushaka?
I really don't understand.
Nta musore ngiye sinjya mbasha gusobanukirwa.
I bet you understand his ass.
Ngiye ndabiza agatafari kanje ubasha kukumva. Wibuke bano batinganya agatafari ngo niko muganga yabandikiye. Nunyenera ndi mu buriri.
Hey, your dad is dying, you know that.
We papa wari gupfa none wari muri ibyo.
So all you think about is sex.
We cyo utekereza ni imiki niki? Ni segisi. Segisi ni bisobanuye iki simba mbizi.
Why my dumb ass keep falling for this shit?
Akukino muginga buri gihe komeza ngo mu mutego ariko ubundi aho ndebere ba ya mabogari ngo mukunda yateruye ibyuma naho ndebere babasheri banyudo nuko bameze bose je narabakurikiranye.
Wow. This is
bano bageze ku rugo.
Why they just standing there like that? A scary movie.
Basha kuntu bintu neza bimeze nk'ayamaza ateye ubwoba yo muri filime. Bageze ku rugo ni indangamirwa dore foka buriya rero gukira nitombora kubaho ni Yesu. Bageze hano basige babakingura n'umuryango indangamirwa zagendaga na tapa ndigo. Batangiye kuzikingurira umuryango. Turabakoze. Harahanze kugira umukozi ntago bibaho ubundi. Turabakoze. Bo mu rugo.
I've never seen it in the daytime.
Nubwa mbere inzu nanjye nyibonye ku manywa nayibonye ari ninjoro. Bimeze nka bya bintu byo mu migani.
Special.
Nababwiye ngo inzu nisanzwe.
Hello, Mrs. Bellery.
Muraho Madame Bellery. Batangiye kumwita izina ry'umugabo.
Hello.
Muraho ntago arabyakira.
You James.
Niwe bita James.
James the butler man.
Ni James the butler.
Oh, that you have no bags.
Ko nabikapu mufite? Ntabyo.
Mr. Bellery wanted me to assure that you have all.
Mr. Bellery yambwiye ko ibyo mukene byose mugomba kubibona.
Let me introduce you to your staff.
Reka mba present abakozi banyu.
She's your chef.
Uriya niwe chef wanyu, uyu mugore.
Sous chef.
John ni sous chef.
The head of housekeeping.
Uyu Margarita niwe ukuriye housekeeping, abakora amasuku.
He and his team take care of the grounds and the stables.
Bara nabita ku kiraro no hanze amasuku. Ku kiraro cy'amafarasi ntugire ngo ni icyinka. Yesu Kristo.
What's that old shag doing?
Karakazu gashaje nakandeze.
Place.
Well, that's actually the house that Mr. Bellery.
Iriya nzu yari ya papa wa Mr. Bellery.
Father bought all.
Ndetse yari yaraguzwe na sekuruza.
For a former slave, wouldn't you say?
Ngira ngo urabyumva niwe mucakara wa mbere waguze inzagura ni isambu yose.
Families' mansions are built.
Amazu y'abanyamuryango bose yubatse muri isambu.
Just passed.
Cyamazu yose twaciye n'abayabo muri uyu muryango.
The families?
Yego. Bafite isambu nini cyane.
Wait, so Roy
bivuze ngo na Roy atuye hakurino. Inzu ya mbere mwaciye muza kuri uyu muhanda ni ya Roy. Aha abana n'umugore we Mallory.
What's she like?
Mallory ameze ate? Mallory ni mwiza, uraza kumukunda.
He already does.
Yamaze kumukunda.
You do.
Wayne.
And this is Whitman.
Whitman. Ni ukuri abashinzwe umutekano.
They don't talk.
Bara ntago bavuga se.
Girl, shut up.
Zibariko.
Incredible.
Ko bahagaze nk'ibitente.
Let's get you all inside.
Mureke tubahe karibuni ndani ya Gasani. Nukuvuga ngo bafite isambu nini cyane ku buryo amazu yose yaba abahungu be bamuze bose buri ari hafi hano yiyi nzu ya muzehe n'ubundi ntago batuye kuri. Baby.
So how is she?
Ameze ate?
I don't know yet.
Simbizi.
You'll be appointed to her team. Yeah. Okay.
Bagushize mu ikipe yego.
I'll show you the ropes and where.
Bino nkwereke rero aho nawe uzajya urara nimba ari uzajya batwara buno ugiye kujya urara hano.
You got any military experience?
Ufite experience y'ibya gisirikare yo kubarinda. Toka satani. Kambe ngiye.
You got something else.
Yeah. You know you need to get some curtains to this house, right?
There's not another house I can see in here.
Okay.
Big old freak.
Just a freak for you.
So what was this all about?
What do you mean?
You come in here seducing me, you up to something?
Waje hano uje kundeshya uhimba himba utuntu tukuzanye. Ndikumva naba ndebye hirya.
You seduced me just now.
Nawe ndikubona muri kano kanya bwari uri kugenda undeshyari. Sirashaje.
You don't get it.
Mugira we ntago byumva.
You still don't get it, do you?
Nubu ntago urabyumva.
No, I get it.
Oya ndabyumva.
Get it? What is it that you get?
Uri kumva iki?
Tell me.
Ngira.
You don't want me to go out?
Nagushaka ko nsohoka.
I want you to go out.
Sinjya nifuza gusohoka.
What is it you want to tell me?
Nicyo ushaka kumbwira?
That I love you.
Ko ngukunda.
Nah, excuse me.
Buretse bumvuyeho gato. Nkunda.
What do you mean?
Ushaka kuvuga iki?
Oh, that.
Oh, that's not gonna keep me from going out tonight.
Ibyo ngibyo byo kunkunda ntago byatuma nasohoka iri joro n'umuhungu buri joro arasohoka akajya kuri gisi.
Will that be enough for you?
Ese basi hari igihe nzaguhaza njyenyine? Bari ukumuhaza mu biki? Oya ntago wamaza turashize. Mubwiza ukuri ntago wamaza.
What do you mean now?
Uravuga iki ngo hoye?
Look, I want to get some rest.
Urabizi reka niruhukire.
Why?
Kubera
Because I put it on you, right?
I want to get some rest so I can be up.
Waretse nkaruhuka kugira ngo ninjoro nze kubona uko nisindira nasohotse muri touchdown.
Fuck you.
Aramutuka.
Fuck you.
Avoka itabyuka nadutera umwaku gusa. Rebe.
Barney.
What?
Rebe ahita yambara. Yeah.
I mean, but not good enough for me to stay.
Charles, you know what? You a piece of shit. Why do I fuck with you?
Because I got you wrapped around.
Urabizi wenda gufite rega ibyo wakwigira byose.
You keep believing this shit.
Ni kukomeza kwizera ko mfite cyane. Kukuri.
You better be glad I need some rest.
Ahubwo wishime ko ngiye kuruhuka. Nimara kuruhuka turongera turyamane.
You'll be back.
Uraza kugaruka Fani.
See you later.
Tuze gusubira. Kiri gusokoza. Ndabizi urashaka ko twongera kuryamana. Kisano.
What the fuck did I just...
Nibiki numvishije. Yihuriye na Roy yarabivumbuye. Nibiki numvishije Roy yabaguye harabimenye ko baryamana. Ndaje mu kanya twirebera izindi episode tugasoze karangire.